Speaking about the motherland of winemaking, we should mark that the winemaking derives in the slope of Ararat Mountain from the grape planted by ancestor Noah. The wine is a reward to Noah and his offspring instead of all the suffering that they overcame during the Great Flood. Due to the scientific proof facts, the winemaking has a story of 6,000 years in Armenia. The group of American, Armenian, and Irish archaeologists making excavation in the place called the Cave of Birds, or RNA1, had discovered grape stones which were explored and established the supposition that winemaking has 1,000 years in Armenia are at lower.
That's right, neighboring countries like Iran, Georgia are finding related to wine have been found, but the complex of producing wine hasn't been opened anywhere till now. RNA is the first. There were stones of grapes as well as wine remain in 50-55 liter jars in caves, which proved that there was a wine production. The most ancient shoe of the world has been discovered in this cave, and which is 5,500 years old and founded in 2008. The owner was a woman. It's for the right foot and fits 37 number. Now its shoes is kept in the Historical Museum of Armenia. Wine has already become the famous and favorite drink during the Urartian period. The wine jars with capacity 1,000 liters and 2,500-year-old wine cellars has been discovered during the Techebaini city excavation. Armenia has exported wine to other countries. For ancient time to Crete, Cyprus, Sicily, at the Middle Age has reached to Europe. The certificate indicated that the Lithuanian royal agents has been bought wine for the court of Vilnius, and RNA wine and Gedeon RNA wine types that competing with French wine styles.
The ancient traditions of making wine are carefully kept and passed from generation to generation in the villages 1,000 years ago. Today also grapes are made and wine is derived in special buildings and wine presses. The girls kiss grapes with their neat and beautiful feet, mixing warmth and love of their body to the wine. That's why men are got drunk by the wine. There were several thousand sorts of grapes in all over the world, and 2,000 of each have been in Armenia. Armenian grape assortment grew in Armenia 6,000 years ago.